हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स। मैं हूं अनुराधा और इस सेशन में मैं हाजिर हो चुकी हूं विद पार्ट 20 ऑफ द एसआरटी प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज विद सम इंपॉर्टेंट सिचुएशंस व्हिच आर यूजुअली आस्क्ड इन योर सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट, one of the 4 psychological tests in SSB interview. In this session, we are going to discuss these situations and also we will discuss how to write responses for them. So let us start with the first situation of this session now. He and his friends wanted to organize a cricket match in college, while his opponents wanted to organize a hockey match. This case he will talk to the opponents, discuss and convince them and organize the cricket match. Yeah, he will discuss with them and did as per the priority. Yeah, he will discuss with them and then also discuss with the sports coach and then come to a mutual decision. Next, while waiting in the queue to buy train tickets, a tall, well-built person directly goes to the counter to buy ticket. तो ये तो illegal है, ये सही नहीं है. तो आप obviously will tell the person politely to get into the queue and buy tickets since everyone is waiting and to follow the procedure. Yeah, you will tell him to get into the queue and if found urgent, let him to buy the ticket. Okay. Next situation, his brother called him to his office for some urgent work, but it is raining heavily. This case he will wear the raincoat, reach the office by public transport. Yeah, by driving his own vehicle. Yeah, he will hire a private vehicle and reach the office on time. Next situation, he was told to organize an event. On the next day, he met with an accident and got hairline fracture in his hand. This case he will take precautions, he will take medications, but he will also come to organize the event and assign the proper tasks to everyone while he guides them and supervises the event. ओके तो ये आप कर सकते हो बिकॉज हेयरलाइन फ्रैक्चर ही हुआ है, हाथ में बहुत ज्यादा जख्म नहीं है, तो आप इजीली उसको ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो फिजिकली. Next, he caught a CSD member selling goods at market price. तो इस केस में you will warn him not to do so again. He will listen to you and he will continue with he will stop doing it. Yeah, you will report to the CSD department and request to take appropriate actions against him. Next, he is the captain of the basketball team and his team is not performing well in the matches. In this case, you will introspect, rectify the problem, discuss with the teammates, come to know about their problems, sort them out as much as you can and regain their morality. Yeah, you will taught them the new skill, hire a new coach, okay, and made them to give more time for practice, try to sort out any kind of problems they are facing and regain positions or regain regain winning the matches. Next situation, while going for an urgent meeting, he finds the road jammed. So, in case he will take the alternative way and reach the venue. Yeah, he will inform the colleagues, cross the jam and reach the venue a bit late. Next, being new in the city, he lost the way. So, in case obviously he can ask the people around or the traffic police and reach the required place. Yeah, he will use his mobile GPS or the Google Maps to track the correct route and reach the place. Next situation, he felt the work given to him is useless. इस केस में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. एक आप काम को करोगे, you will learn new things from the work, you will successfully do it and you will show your capability and get a new job or a new work next time. Yeah, you will discuss with the HR of your company, discuss about your experiences, your skills, show them that you have better quality or better capability and get a better job. Next situation is he saw a man climbing on a house with a rope. So this case we will inquire him and found that he is just repairing the house, okay, and you will just leave him to do the work. Yeah, you will stop him or you will call the you will ask about him in the of the residents in the house, okay, and found that he is not he's a stranger, he is not identified, then you will call the police and help him to arrest the person. Okay, so these are some of the important responses that you can give for any situation. ये responses जो है ये hard and fast rule नहीं है कि यही लिखना पड़ेगा, यही right responses है. आप अपने according आप अगर उस situation में होते तो कैसे handle करते situations को, उसके according आपको responses लिखना है. Now I'll give you 5 situations for your homework and I want you to write one response for each of these 5 situations in the comment box below. The first situation is, while enjoying boating in the lake, he saw a boy drowning. Second, he was made the class monitor, but some of his classmates opposed this decision. Third, he saw his brother gambling in a bar with his friends. Fourth, a week before the honeymoon trip, he came to know that the selected place is affected by flood. And fifth, the girl asked him to give her money or else she will shout blaming him for misbehaving with her. So now I want you to write one response for each of these 5 situations in the comment box below. I'll try to read them and I'll point out the best candidate who has given the best responses for these situations. Now, if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB interview like this, make sure you are joining our SSB interview online course by downloading our SSB Crack Exams Learning app from the Google Play Store. Also, if you are preparing for any other written defense exam, उसके लिए भी courses आपको हमारे ऐप के थ्रू मिल जाएंगे, तो आप इन courses को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो Just use the code warrior10 if you want 10% off on these courses. That was it from my side, and hope to see you very soon with something more helpful, insightful, and informative for your upcoming SSB interview. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।